Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to expand or collapse the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, there will show the Excel document. This formula bar from the expand or collapse. Then you show the formula bars from the expand. Now apply from the collapse in the formula bar. Now keyboard press from the Control Shift U. That's okay. Then you show the formula bar from the collapse. Now again Control Shift U. That's okay. Then show the formula bar from the expand. That's it. Then you show the expand or collapse the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.